Okay, so I went ahead after confirming that one of these would run, and I added lines to import other STLs into this project. When I did that, though, I ran into a problem that I'd like to, and thought rather than just jumping ahead to the next step, I would share this. So I ran into some issues where I had some syntax errors, and it had to do with the characters in the titles. You can see a slash n and up here slash u were creating the problems, and that had to do with the naming convention of my files. I had these rather than calling them new skull sample head with the underscore, I was calling it updated, and that slash u is a problem. The slash n was a problem. I've run into that in the past with using numerical characters, creating problems. So just a word to the wise. I'm going to actually, let's go up to my Windows, and I'm going to toggle this, and let's just make it a little smaller. Move it over here. But I'm just going to go ahead and hit play, bring that console back up so we can see that the script is running. It's in theory deleted the items. It's saying that it's finished importing one of the items in 0.14 seconds, the other one in 2.75. Now, the next couple of items are very large, and this may take a number of minutes. But in a moment, we'll hopefully see what we get and go from there. All right, and as we can see, it's finishing up. The items that I had in the scene are gone. We can see over on the outliner that the new items are there. If I come into here, into the 3D window, we can see that the objects do all appear to have imported.